It's August 12th, and we're starting to pour the courtyard around the diner. This was the first pour. This is going to be a roof extension off of the diner that will enable us to go back into the lamp. We've made it come in level to the door, so you'll be able to walk right into the lamp diner. We wanted to remove some of the stainless to see if the wood is acceptable or not. We still have some water leakage here, and this is drywall to about right here, and then it's like solid rock concrete wall. So we'll be able to redo this as well. August 18th, we're going to attempt to remove the remainder of the ceiling in here, as it probably got wet from the outside in. We have to remove the strips, which I've already done, get the formica out of there, and then there's insulation underneath. Carpenter's going to start on this next week, rebuilding it. In a short period of time, we were able to remove the remaining ceiling pieces, and these wood pieces are probably in the best shape of everything in here, so that's very promising. Carpentry begins next week. This is August 18th. We have to remove the stainless from the wall. We're going to try to save it and rebuild it for the back of the bar. It's because this drywall is a mess behind it.
Thanks, John.
We had to strip the stainless, which we're preserving, and take out the rotten drywall to reveal some good wood and some bad wood, but now it's easy to make the necessary replacements. The wall's completely down, which we had to remove because the drywall underneath the stainless was completely rotten. But we have managed to save the stainless, and we'll be able to repurpose it into the redesign of the back wall. Today we did the major pour for the courtyard area. This is August 20th, so all the major pours are done. We only have the one behind the diner where we're going to build the extension. And carpentry work has begun on the inside of the diner, so things are really moving now. Today's August 31st, and went through the brutal step of removing the styrofoam and drywall backing to reveal the galvanized sheet metal that came with the diner, which was designed to attach to a block building. You can see the original entryway here that would lead back into the kitchen. This took a couple people about 5 hours to accomplish because it was all sheet metal screwed into the galvanized steel. So we'll patch this up, and we'll be starting to build a connector between the two items here, and we'll be on our way. Today is September 8th. The carpenter is starting to patch all the bad wood in the ceiling as we prepare to have it redone in a 50s motif after it's insulated and drywalled. There's been some electrical run, and although this looks like a very small victory, for the first time in about maybe 3 years, we have power in the diner. They're starting to rewire the POTS lighting outside, the indirect lighting, which will go around the perimeter and shine up on the ceiling. And we'll be able to finish the ceiling, put in the heating ventilation system along here. Continual progress.